Now we are going to see rounding to the nearest 10. Look at this. When rounding a number to the nearest 10, look at the ones digit first. Okay, so if the ones digit is 4 or less, round to the smallest 10. If the ones digit is 5 or more, round to the bigger 10. That is the only thing. So for example, see 1, that is, this is 13, this is ones and tens. So look at the, always you have to see the what, when rounding a number to the nearest 10, look at the, first you have to look at the ones digit. This is 1 and this is 10. So you have to look at the ones digit always. So 3. So what is that? If the ones digit is 4 or less, that means this is less than 4. 4 or less, that means this is less than 4 or less than 5. So what you are going to do? So you have to round to the what? Smaller 10. That means, that is, what is this? 4 or less. That means 4 or less means you have to round this digit as a smaller 10. That means 10. Okay. And next, so suppose this number is 17. This is, you have to consider only the what? Ones digit. This is ones and what? Next is 10. This is 5 or more. This is 4 or less. That means 4 or less. That means you have to write 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is a what? 5 is a middle number and 6, 7, 8, 9, then 9. This is the, okay. So 4 or, if the number is 4 or less than 4, that means 3, 2, 1. So that means you have to round the digit as a smallest what? Not smallest, smaller 10. Okay, that is what? Smaller 10. So we have to round the digit as a smaller 10. So 5 or more than 5, 6, 7, 8 means, that means you have to round the digit as a what? Bigger 10. It is called as bigger 10. That is what? See, look at this number. This is 13. We have to consider is that this is ones place 3 and tens place what? 1. So you have to concentrate. You have to focus only the ones place, ones digit. What is the number in ones digit? 3. So that is 4 or less concept. So if the ones digit is 4 or less, so round to the smaller 10. That means that is what we have to write 10. Because 13. So what is the number? 10, 11, 12, right? And 13, 14 and 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. 50 is a middle number. So that means ones digit only we have to consider. This is what? 3. So 4 or less than 4. That means you have to round to the nearest digit means 10. Suppose it is 17. That is 5 or more, we have to round to the what? What is this? Round to the nearest 10. That is a concept. Round to the nearest 10 means 5 or, you have to concentrate only the ones digit. So 5 or more than 5 mean the nearest to 10 is what? 20. So 17 is the nearest. 17, this is the question. So this is what is the nearest to 10? The answer is what? 20, because this ones digit is 5 or more than 5. That is the only thing we have to consider this 17 as what? 20. This 17 as considered as 20. This is the nearest 10. So but this but in this case, in such case, in this case 13 is the question, but this ones digit number is 3, this 4 or less. So this ones digit is 4 or less. That is what? The nearest what? Nearest 10 means what is a smaller 10. This is a smaller 10 and this is a bigger 10. So 4 or less, we have to round the digit as a smaller 10. So the answer is for 13, the answer is 10. I think so you understand the concept. I'll repeat the next question while I'll explain the second question. I think so you understand better. That is 36. Look at this. 36 is a, look at the ones digit 6. So this number is 5 or more. 5 or more means if the ones digit is a 5 or more, you have to what? Round the digit the bigger 10. Round the digit as a bigger 10. So round to the digit as a bigger 10. Bigger 10 means what is this? 40. So look at this. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35 is the middle number. Then what? 36, 37, 38 and 39. Then 40. So what is this? See, what is the number? 36. So 36, look at the ones digit 6. So this 6 is what? 5 are more than 5. So round to the what? Nearest 10 means we have to circle it as a what? Smaller 10. Sorry, bigger 10. We have to round to the nearest. So we have to round to the nearest the bigger 10, not smaller 10. We have to round to the what? Nearest the bigger 10. So the answer is 40. So 5 are more than 5 mean we have to what? Round to the nearest mean we have to round to the nearest the bigger 10. That's what? 40. Suppose this number is 32 means so 4 or less than 4. It comes in 4 or less than 4. So we have to round to the nearest as a smaller 10. So the answer is what? 30. So this becomes as 30. So now it is not what? 32 means it becomes 30. But it is not 32. It is 36. So we have to round to the nearest as a bigger 10. The answer is 40. I think so you understand. So 4 or less mean we have to round to the nearest as a what? Smaller 10. 5 or more than 5 means we have to round the nearest to the what? Bigger 10. So the answer for this question is 40. For this question 13 means smaller 10. This is a smaller 10. S10 means smaller 10. ST means smaller 10. And BT means bigger 10. So the answers for this question is 10 and this question is 40. For 13, round to the nearest answer is 10. 36, round to the nearest is 40. I think you understand.